Welcome to this guide on navigating immigration challenges, specifically focusing on issues faced by spouses. Understanding the complexities of immigration laws can be crucial, especially when it involves family members. Today, we'll delve into situations where a spouse is unable to return to the United States due to visa problems. Let's get started. Here's our agenda for today's video. We'll start with discussing the challenges around visa misuse. Then, we'll move on to understanding some key issues related to spousal immigration. Next, we'll explore actions to consider if you're in such a situation. Afterward, I'll offer some important advice and additional insights for navigating these challenges. Finally, we'll end with a legal disclaimer. So, let's dive in. One of the most common issues arises when a tourist visa is used for purposes other than intended. Tourist visas are generally for short visits, but when used for long-term residency or employment, it can lead to serious problems. Additionally, frequent re-entry into the U.S. or overstaying can raise red flags for immigration authorities, indicating potential misuse of the visa. Furthermore, some countries, like the Philippines, have specific exit requirements for their citizens, which can further complicate the situation. Here's a quick quiz. What is a common issue with tourist visa misuse? A. Using it for long-term residency. B. Frequent short visits. C. Not having a visa. D. Using it for tourism. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Using it for long-term residency. This is a common misuse that can lead to suspicions from immigration authorities. Let's talk about the key issues. Violating visa conditions could potentially lead to very serious consequences, such as denial of entry or even being banned from re-entry to the U.S. Besides, Philippine immigration may have restrictions that could impact the ability to leave. These conditions often arise due to misunderstandings regarding the proper use of a visa, all of which combine to make an already challenging situation even more difficult. Now let's move on to actions you should consider. First and foremost, consulting an immigration attorney immediately is crucial. They can provide legal guidance and explain your options. Additionally, it's important to review the terms and conditions attached to the spouse's visa, as it could help in understanding what actions might have led to any restrictions. If there are any immigration holds, it's pivotal to address them promptly. Finally, if living in the U.S. permanently with your spouse is the goal, you might start filing for a green card by beginning with a petition process. Here are some important pieces of advice to consider as you navigate these immigration challenges. Always remain honest and transparent in interactions with immigration authorities. It's crucial to rely on legal professionals for accurate advice, given the complexities of immigration laws. Avoid any risky re-entry attempts into the U.S. without proper authorization, as it could lead to serious complications. Lastly, remember to document every communication, document, and interaction related to the immigration case. In summary, understanding the correct use of a tourist visa is vital to prevent severe immigration consequences. Misusing visas, even unintentionally, can lead to complications with immigration authorities. Always seek legal advice, as understanding immigration law can be complex. Moreover, ensuring that every step in the immigration process is well documented will help manage potential issues and provide evidence if needed. Thank you for watching our video on navigating immigration challenges for spouses. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts or any questions in the comments. Take care, and see you in the next video. Before we end, it's important to note that this guide offers general insights and advice. It should not be considered a substitute for personalized legal advice. Immigration laws can be quite complex, so it's crucial to discuss specific legal cases with a qualified immigration attorney.